Hi, we're about to do an 8-minute low impact cardio workout, and you can do this whole thing horizontal. You're going to sit down. We're going to start with the table saw. Sit down in the crab position. When I say go, pick your butt up off the ground and go. Right hand, left foot, and left hand, right foot in the crab position with your butt off the ground. And ladies, if you don't have enough upper body strength to pick your butt up off the ground, just do it sitting down, but left hand, right foot, and right hand, left foot. Great for upper body strength and balance and your core. Stop and lay down. We're going to do V-ups. You're going to lift up your feet and your hands and touch. You're going to fold like a book. Get ready. Go. Hands up and feet up, touching. Make sure you take your shoulder blades off the ground and touch your ankles. Keep your legs fairly straight, arms fairly straight, reaching back over your head, front up, back up. Fantastic core exercise. Stop and flip over. We're going to do push-ups. Get ready, just regular push-ups. Go, chest to the desk, go all the way down, touch your chest, push all the way up. And again, ladies, if you don't have enough upper body strength to do a regular push-up, just do them on your knees, but do them as many as you can. Good form. Don't sacrifice form for speed on any of these exercises. Stop and flip back over. You're going to do bicycle crunches, and we're going to do these with good form. You're going to see, put your hands behind your head. Go. Now, hands behind your head just as a guide. Don't pull on your neck. Bring that knee all the way up as far as you can, and then extend the opposite leg as far as you can. Don't do a tantrum and just kick your legs. I want you to have good form, get the full contraction, get the most out of the exercise. Don't sacrifice form for speed. Stop, and that's the order. It's not going to change. Back to the table saw. Get ready in the crab position. Lift your butt up. Go. Left hand, right foot, right hand, left foot. Fast as you can. Now the secret to this is stick your hand straight out and then bring your opposite foot over to your hand. So your hand just goes straight. Left hand, right foot, right hand, left foot. Keep the core tight. Stop and lay down. V-ups again. Hands over your head, legs out straight. Go. Front up and back up. Front up and back up. Make sure you pick up those shoulder blades off the deck. Reach for those ankles. Fold yourself like a book. Front up, back up. And exhale as you compress, as you crunch yourself. Stop and flip over. Push-ups. Hands shoulder width apart. Feet can be apart. Go. Feet can be apart or together. I like having my feet together. Chest to the desk. Push all the way up, all the way down. Make your form perfect. Don't sacrifice form for speed. Trust me. And be smooth. Smooth will be fast, and you'll get the most out of it. Stop and flip over. Bicycle crunches again. Lay back. Hands on your head just to guide your elbows in. Go. Twist. Twist. Knee up as far as you can, and then leg extended as far as it can go. Perfect form. You'll get the most out of the crunch that way. And exhale with each twist. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Stop. All right. We're going to take a 30-second break, take some deep breaths, right? Maybe take a sip of water. And hey, are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program. Link in the description. Okay, we're going to get ready for round 2. It's going to be exactly the same as round 1, same order. You got 10 seconds. So get ready for that crab position for the table saw. And go. Left hand, right foot, right hand, left foot. Butt off the ground. Core tight. Reaching straight out for that foot coming up. Don't forget to breathe. Smooth as fast. Stop and lay down. V-ups. Get ready. Go. Front up, back up. Exhaling as you compress. Make sure you take those shoulder blades off the ground. Reach for the ankles. Fold yourself like a book. Good. Stop and flip over. Push-ups. Get ready to do the perfect push-up with perfect form, okay? Here we go. Go. Chest to the desk. Push all the way up. Go all the way down. I just bumped my chest on the ground. You can even see it. Full range of motion. Nice and smooth. Exhaling as you push up every time. Stop and flip over. Bicycle crunches. Get ready. Go. Knee up as far as you can get it, as close as your face as you can get it, and then extend the opposite leg all the way out till it's straight. That's how you get the most out of this. Get the most out of the contraction. Stop and table saw. You got 2 minutes to go. Get ready. Get your butt up off the ground and go. Left hand, right foot, and right hand, left foot. Super exercise. Great for your core, your upper body strength. You're holding yourself off the ground and your balance because you're only on one hand and one foot. Stop and lay back. V-ups. Get ready. Stick those legs out straight. Go. Front up and back up. Front up and back up. Really great for your core. Exhale as you compress. Inhale as you straighten out. Try to make your form perfect. Don't sacrifice form for speed. Just be smooth because smooth will make you go faster. Stop and flip over. Push-ups. Get ready. Go. Push, push, push. Good. All the way down, all the way up. Chest to the desk. You could even bump that chest on the ground if it doesn't bother you too much. Push, push, push. Stop and flip over. Bicycle crunches. Lay back. Hands by your ears. Just a steer. Go. Bringing that knee all the way up. Straightening the other leg all the way out. Getting the most out of it. Exhaling as you compress yourself. Stop. Okay, I'm worn out, but if somehow this workout is too short for you, all you got to do is rewind it and you can repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it and click on this video right here for your next fat burning workout. That's it and that's all. See you next time.